We are here, leading the way. The world's #1 regional aircraft manufacturer. Ambitious and forward-thinking. Here for over 4 decades, delivering aircraft to over 200 airlines in 100 countries and creating a legacy of success. Supporting our customers wherever they are around the world. Connecting people, businesses and communities, no matter how small or remote. We are here, creating opportunities and opening new routes. Always caring about the comfort and well-being of our passengers, advancing safe and reliable aviation. We are here, respecting the world we live in, offering the lowest emission regional aircraft and limiting our business's impact, committed to preserving the future of our planet. That's us. Responsible, committed, and passionate. Here to make a difference. We are ATR.